see it. Look at this shit. How the hell am I gonna get home? Having a car in Wisconsin sucks. I live over there and there's nowhere to turn because I have a car. This sucks. If I can't make it this way, I already drove so far out of my way to get home, and I can't get home because this is ridiculous. Don't own a car in Wisconsin, or don't drive, I guess. I guess I'm better off riding my bike. That's what I should have done. Look, I can't make it through this shit. So how far do I gotta go just to get home? It's ridiculous. That's all I got. I don't know how good this video is.